This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious stir-fry Shin Ramyun. First, gather all your ingredients. This includes your favorite vegetables like bell peppers and onions, a protein such as chicken or tofu, and of course, a pack of Shin Ramyun. Proper preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, boil your Shin Ramyun noodles for about 2 to 3 minutes so they are still slightly firm. Drain them, but remember to save about 1/4 cup of the noodle water. In a separate pan, heat a tablespoon of oil, then add your aromatics like garlic and ginger, followed by your chosen protein. Now, add your prepared vegetables to the pan and stir-fry them for 1 to 2 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, toss in the partially cooked noodles and the reserved noodle water. Finally, sprinkle in both Shin Ramyun seasoning packets, ensuring everything is well combined for maximum flavor. Continue to stir-fry all ingredients together for another 1 to 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Once done, transfer your delicious stir-fry Shin Ramyun to a bowl. Garnish with toppings like a perfectly fried egg, some chopped green onions, or a sprinkle of sesame seeds. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.